In this video, you'll learn how to create an account on ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your account and be ready to explore the platform's features. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the ElevenLabs website. Enter the URL "elevenlabs.io" in the address bar and press enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it to proceed. Next, you will see 3 options for signing up. You can choose to create an account using your email and password, which is the classic method. Alternatively, you can sign up quickly using your Google account or Apple ID if you are on a Mac or iPhone. Consider using an email address that you check regularly, as you will need to verify your account later. If you opt for the email and password method, you will be prompted to enter your information, fill in your full name, email address, and a strong password. It is important to create a secure password to protect your account. After entering your information, you will need to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you have completed all fields, click the sign up or create account button to submit your information. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for verification email from ElevenLabs. It is essential to click the confirmation link within this email to activate your account. If you do not see the email in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as it may have been filtered there. Once you have verified your email and logged in, you will begin on the free tier, which provides limited credits and access to standard text-to-speech features. If you wish to use ElevenLabs with applications or bots, navigate to your profile and select API key to set up additional functionality. Be mindful that the free tier limits your credits per month, so be cautious when generating longer voices. You are now ready to start using ElevenLabs. You can generate speech, create or clone custom voices, access the dubbing studio, and test voices in the Voice Lab. Remember to manage your usage within the limits of the free tier to avoid running out of credits.